One of the latest puppylinux ISOs that I use extensively is Trixie Pup64-Retro ISO, which is very good. But one of the things that I noticed is that deadbeef that comes already built in is a slightly older version of deadbeef music player. I'm going to go through with you how to download the latest deadbeef, and I've actually already done that. So you go to this website, and I'll leave a link, of course, and you simply click on this stable build of deadbeef, and then what you end up having is this right here. So what you want to do is just extract it here. So we'll just go ahead and right click on it and go to open with, and then I prefer to just to have a p extract it for me, so I'll just click on it and then extract, and now we don't need this file anymore. And then it makes it easier, I think, if you just go ahead and change the name of the folder. So F2 rename, and then just go ahead and rename it to simply with the deadbeef, and then rename. Okay, and the other thing that I generally find it helpful is just go ahead and move it to OPT folder. So go to /OPT folder, and then we'll make it a little easier to see, and then we'll just simply drag it and then move it. So now we're over here, and we'll click on it, and then this is the older version that comes together with the ISO, and then we'll just click with the new version here. Just close the older version, and then now we'll click it. Now you see it's slightly different, and this has more functionality, so I prefer this. So we'll just close it, and one of the things that you may want to do is have an icon on the desktop, and if you prefer that, just drag it here, and then you want to right click on the icon because itself, because you want a icon label, you want a different icon label. So go to the file, right click file, and set icon, and then what you want to do is it's a photo file, and then now you have this proper icon, so that's helpful. So, and then the other thing that you may want to do is just go ahead and go to edit item, right click edit item, and then assign a keyboard shortcut. So I'll just click to set, and then let's say I'll just go ahead and say Control M. You can set it to whatever you want. So ALTO, and then now I'm just gonna tap on Control M key and see if it fires it up. So it works. We can go ahead and assign. Let's just go ahead and do this. We'll go ahead and file, add folder, and go to the where I have music folder. Here's my music, and let's say under jazz, and you can see that you have ability to play the music. So here, and then we'll go ahead and pause it. So normally though, I don't want this type of appearance on a music player, so deadbeef, and I'll show you what mine looks like. So I usually have this album art here, and a spectrum here, and then music list here, and I will refer you to another video of mine, and then under description, where I go through setting this up, so that should help you.